Hello, wonderful people. Just want to give you an update on what is going on and what will be happening. I just finished filming a lesson, grape on lace, or grape on lay for the mantle, or whatever the kitchen hood, whatever you're gonna use it. But anyway, so what I'm working on right now, it's just like I said, it's just a little update. I'm working on a big project, pipe organ, and that's gonna be all gold leaf. It's just a single panel, but they've got multiple, the whole facade, the whole, huge organ gonna be covered with the gold. So that is what I'm working on. And I also want to give you an update about teaching in person. If you're gonna go on our website, schoolofwoodcarving.com, and look in menu in person, the classes will be listed. But for the summer, really soon in May, I'm gonna be in Mark Adams School of Woodworking. It's gonna be May 4, I believe. In July, I'm gonna be in Mark Adams School of Woodworking, and it is in Indianapolis. In July 14th, I believe. It's gonna be 5-day class, and I'm gonna be teaching in Michigan this summer, also in August. I believe it's August 10th, the week, 5 days. In Michigan, that would be Sam Buford's School of Woodworking, and that's close to Detroit, not that far from Detroit. Check the website, schoolofwoodcarving.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.